Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course get more pages. So first things first, I have your website plug here, and the one thing that's concerning is this message with this button. It's kind of blocking your menu, so it can be a little bit annoying. So try to keep an eye on that. The second thing is adding more content. Definitely, you can use more content, and not just images, but wording. That's very important because when you add words of content, and if they're relevant, if they include the keywords that you need to be found for, and if they're original, Google will start picking those words from your website. You can start ranking a little bit better on a Google search. So, for example, on the back end of your website, you're only being found for 76 keywords. That's bringing you around 38 visits a month to your website. And you have 110 backlinks now. What are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you the power so your rating can increase here, domain rating and the URL rating. And that will help you to be found on Google as well. Very important because not all links are created equal. You can have dozens and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So, going back to the keywords, let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick. Lenox, that's your brand name. You're ranking number one. Let's see, Laser Aesthetics New York City. There's an average of 30 searches a month. You on the second page actually. You start like to the first page, but you're not getting one visit for that traffic. So very important because this is something that you need to keep an eye on because whatever marketing campaign you're running probably is not giving you the results that you need. You're tagging your brand name to different pages, which is good, but you need to have relevant keywords that you want to be found for. For example, laser hair removal, not just New York City, but uh, again, not all these keywords are a little bit relevant to what you do. For example, leaf injection Groupon. Um, there's only 20 searches a month on that, and you're on the sixth page of this specific keyword. For the purpose of the video, when indeed, for example, laser hair removal New York, the first thing you're going to see is the traditional Google Ads, is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. And this is something that if it's not done correctly, you can end up wasting a lot of money not seeing the result that you want. So very be careful on this. The next section we have is the map section. And this is where you want to be as well because 67% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for these top three and then the top three on this organic result. So you might be missing a lot of opportunities, a lot of uh, leads that can be turned into potential clients. And regardless of your location, you can target your profile to cover New Jersey, New York, and any of the areas that have a high volume on this specific keyword. And then again, we have the organic result. You can see it in skinspanewyork.com on number one. Then you have your Yelp user directory, uh, satorilaser.com, I believe. Then you have another directory, but I don't see here your website. So again, you might be missing a lot of opportunities here. So I went ahead and pulled their website, and you can see that they have all this pop-up and everything, but they don't have too much of a content here. But whatever they're targeting for, probably with backlinks, is what making them to be number one. Let's take a look at the back end. Yeah, you can see they have over 2,000 backlinks, and this is giving a lot of power. These numbers are pretty high, and it seems that they're targeting the correct keywords, even though they don't have that much of a content, which will be an advantage to you if you actually add more relevant content on your homepage. Will definitely will help you out. And they're running Google Ads over here. Let's take a look in see Google Ads where we're running. See, Skin Spa Upper East Side, volume of 200, and every time somebody clicks on it, it's going to cost them $2, and we're getting 11% of that traffic. So very important to understand this. Again, if this is not done properly, you might end up wasting a lot of money. But going back, let's see the keywords that are being found for over 26,000 keywords. Let's take a look. Let's see. Give it a second. Okay, let's take a look. Skin Spa, New York City, NYC. This is a very important keyword because there's 300 searches a month, and they're ranking #1. And they're getting from these 300 more than half of it, 184 going straight to their website. So very, very, very important to understand that. Um, let's keep looking here. You can see that these are just not relevant ones, but only with this one, and I'm sure from all of the 26,000 keywords, this is one of the important ones because it's getting a lot of traffic there, and that's why they're ranking #1. So I don't want to take too much of the time. If you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, or if you have any other questions, I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions that you have. I'll point you in the right direction. But most importantly, again, if you think we can go together, we can definitely help you out. Please give us a call. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.